In a forgotten house, echoes of the past linger, and once again, blood dripped from the ceiling, painting a chilling reminder of the horrors that unfolded within its walls. As she breathes heavily, the flashlight reveals secrets long buried, and the weight of forgotten memories presses down upon her, urging her to uncover the truth behind the haunting. With each creak of the floor, dread envelops her as she realizes the mirror's reflection is not just her own, but something far more sinister lurking just beyond her sight. Heart racing, she steels herself, determined to unravel the mysteries that haunt the house as the chilling presence grows closer, whispering secrets from the dark. Curiosity battling her fear, she kneels before the trunk, the weight of countless memories pressed within, urging her to unveil the horrors locked away for so long. As she reads the diary, a chilling tale unfolds, detailing the tragic fate of those who once called this house home, intertwining their destiny with her own. Overwhelmed by the revelations, she senses a presence drawing closer as the lines between her reality and the tragic past begin to blur into a nightmarish convergence.